Kijal Patel. Welcome to my channel Basic of Mathematics. Today our topic is solution of word problem by quadratic equations. This is our word problem. In word problem you should be read question carefully and decide what you want to find in your question. So the sum of the ages of father and son at present is 110. 10 years ago the product of their age was 1856. What is the age of the father and son? You want to find here present age of the father and son. So you would be supposed two variable of father age and son age. So in age related question you always suppose present age. So let present age of father be x year and present age of son be y year. After supposing variable, you should be write your given condition verbally and convert into a mathematical form. So what is your first condition? The sum of the ages of father and son at present is 110. So you should be write here. Now the sum of ages of father and son at present is 110. So sum, that means addition. Ages of father and son at present. So present age of the father is x, present age of the son is y. So sum of these two age is, that means equal to 110. Now you want to convert one variable into a form of other variable. So you can write y is equal to 110 minus x. Give its name 1. After finding equation 1, you should be write second condition verbally and convert into a mathematical form. Now write your second condition. So 10 years ago. So you talking about 10 years ago. The product of their age was 1856. So you should be right here now. 10 years ago, the product of ages of their was 1856. Now 10 years ago, father age was how much? So subtract 10 from your present age. So x minus 10 and son age become a y minus 10. Now product of these two age, that's why x minus 10 into y minus 10 was, that means equal to 1856. Now you should be put value of y in form of a x. So by 1 you get x minus 10. Instead of y you should be write 110 minus x minus 10 as it is, which is equal to 1856. Now simplify. This is x minus 10. This is 110 minus 10, that means 100. 100 minus x, which is equal to 1856. Now product of these two bracket, x multiply first. So 100x minus x into x, x square, minus plus minus 10 into 100,000 minus minus plus 10 into x. This is the product of these two bracket. Now change side of this. So this is become plus, become minus 1856, which is equal to 0. Now collect like term. So this is your minus x square. These and these are like term. Plus 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 100 plus 10, 110 x and biggest digit sign plus. Now minus 1000 and minus 1856. So minus minus plus, so addition of these two is 2856. Biggest digit sign is minus, which is equal to 0. Now minus take outside. So this equation become x square minus 110x plus 2856 is equal to 0. Whenever you take minus common, inner sign will be changed, and after common minus 1, take on right hand side. So 0 divided by minus 1 itself become a 0. So you getting this form. Now I want to find the value of x by splitting the middle term. That's why I find the prime factor of coefficient of x square and constant term. So this is 1 and this is 2856. So find out prime factor of 2856. So 2856 prime factor, 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 8s are 16, 2 7s are 14, 2 1s are 2 4s are 2 3s are 6, 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 7, 8, 9, 10 and 15. So divisible by 3. So 3 1s are 3, 3 1s are 3, 2 left 27, 3 9s are 27, 9, 10, 11 not divisible by 3. This is also not divisible 5. Check by 7, 119 divisible by 7, 7 1s are 7, 49, 7 7s are 49. So yes, this is divisible by 7. So 7 17s are and 17 1s are, because 17 is a prime number. So you have 2856 prime factor is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 7 into 17. Now make a pair of 2 such addition or subtraction become a 110. Now check 17, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 into 7, 168. So 168 plus 17 minus 17 is not possible. Make other pair. 2 17 3s are 51 and 51 into 51, 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28 and 28 into 2, 56 and 51. So 110 no. Check other. 2 3s are 6, 17 into 6, 110, 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28, no, not possible. 2 3s are 6 into 7, 6 into 7, 42 and 2 2s are 4 and 17, 17 4s are 68, addition of 68 plus 42, 110, adjust here. So 68 and 42 make pair of these two. So here x square minus 68x minus 42 plus 2856 is equal to 0. Now take common of first two and last two. So here x. Now common from first two and last two. So x common, here is x minus 68. Minus 42 common, so here is x, and whenever minus sign common, inner sign will be changed. Minus, here is 68, which is equal to 0, because 42 into 68 become a 2856. Now again common from first and second term, x minus 68, and remaining here is x and here is 42, which is equal to 0. So now zero product rule, x minus 68 is equal to 0 or x minus 42 equal to 0. So you have x is equal to 68 or x is equal to 42. Now what is your x? X is your present age of father. So definitely if you suppose this is your father age, so you getting 42 is your son's age. So father is definitely more than son age. So you should be write your answer. X is equal to 68. So x is equal to 68 implies present age of father be 68 years. And if x is 68, what is your y? 110 minus x. That means 110 minus 68. So definitely you got 42. So this become present age of son be 42 years. So this way you can solve any word problem in quadratic equation. If you really like my channel, please share and subscribe it. Thank you.